Materials for electrical enclosure installation and distribution board wiring. Tools: wire saw, sanding machine, electric drill, electric screwdriver. Specific tools: drill bits, tapping tool, screw thread tap. Supplies: screws, washers, electrical tape, cable trunking, aluminium rails. Electrical enclosures of appropriate sizes. Hand tools, measuring tape, wire sleeves, multimeter. Wires, terminals, crimping pliers, wire stripping skills. Ability to read circuit diagrams. Start with the bottom plate. Mark positions of cable trunking and aluminium rails. Drill and tap. Follow the diagram to configure the bottom plate, place divisor, and wire it. Complete the wiring and ensure proper circuitry. Perform a short circuit test to prevent issues. Finally, test the electrical operation, alarm functions, and ensure that the equipment operates properly to prevent any mishaps. Successfully hand it over to the client. Install button switches on the operating panel and attach nameplates. Present the finished electrical enclosure and distribution board.